So the only way to avoid getting an STD 100% for sure is by not engaging in any kind of sexual behavior with another person, which is sometimes called abstinence. Getting tested before having sex and limiting your number of sexual partners can really help too.
Some people our age decide to wait to have sex because of their values and beliefs, or just because we already have so much going on, and a sexual relationship can be really complicated. Other people might wait because they haven't found someone they want to be intimate with yet. Some people choose to engage in behaviors that don't include oral, anal, or vaginal sex. This includes things like kissing, hugging, massage, or mutual masturbation. Basically, any activity that doesn't involve skin-to-skin contact of the genitals, anus, and mouth, and won't share sexual fluids like vaginal fluids, semen, and pre-cum.
Please stop listing fluids!
Now, if you do decide to have sex, there are specific things you can do to practice safer sex and reduce the chances of you or your partner getting or spreading STDs. Some examples of safer sex include limiting the number of sexual partners you have, getting tested, talking with your partner about your sexual history, staying away from drugs and alcohol, and educating yourself about STDs, like we're doing now. Most people know about external condoms, but you can also use internal condoms, which are inserted into the vagina, or dental dams, which are used for protection during certain types of oral sex. If you use these barriers correctly and consistently, they can go a long way to protect you and your partner from STDs.
Safer sex doesn't mean there's no chance of getting an STD, but if you're going to engage in sexual behaviors with another person, it's important that you both use these methods to reduce your risk, along with getting tested regularly for STDs.
So, in conclusion, think about what works for you when it comes to sex and STDs. Remember that not having sex is safest. If you do have sex at some point, make sure to practice safer sex to reduce the risk of STDs. And communicate with your partner so you can each protect each other.